I don't know of one, and it worries me that this borrowing was done en passant. I'm not putting it to you that there wasn't a special resolution. I'm putting it that a special resolution is required, and I have not, in all of the paper that I've read in this, ever seen such a special resolution.
This issue of the borrowing, question of the loans, from the subject matter of an action which was brought by learned colleague's client in the Cape High Court, where he lost. He applied for leave to appeal to the SCA, he lost. He went to the Constitutional Court, he lost. So that issue in our submission is res judicata. A court of law has pronounced on the validity of those loans, etc. I don't see why we should be revisiting that, rehashing that.
I was unfortunately not in that earlier litigation because I was still a proper lawyer then, I was still a proper lawyer in the old days, not an NGO worker. So I was not in that earlier litigation, but I've read the judgment, and as I understand it, the finding of the court is that the applicant, which was ECA, Mr. Crawford Browne, sued the wrong party. There's no res judicata on this point, and this point is an important point for this commission, because if it happens that a special resolution of Parliament was required before Mr. Manuel took his loan, then this commission is in honour bound, I would suggest, to find out about that. And that's all I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to be clever. I'm not trying to suggest that there wasn't one. I'm asking a question that I don't know the answer to, which is always dangerous cross-examination. But this is important enough to do.
You know, I remember when I was still young, I was told that when you cross-examine, if you don't know the answer, then put the question to the witness. Now, this is exactly what they do. Mr. Mbeki, are you in a position to tell us are you aware of any resolution of that nature or not?
Chairperson, at no point did the government act in any illegal manner, knowingly or unknowingly,